Isang mapagpalang araw po muli sa ating lahat. So, welcome back to our 365 daily devotions. So, today is July 20, Saturday. So, this will be our sixth installment of our current series, which is My Whole Family for Christ. So, our topic for today is we are both physical and spiritual parents. So, in connection to our topic for today, ang Bible verse natin tatalakayin ay ang 3 John chapter 4 verse 1. So, 3 John chapter 1 verse 4. So, in New International Version, I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. Or in Filipino translation naman, or in ang Biblia 2001 version, wala nang higit pang kagalakan sa ganang akin na gaya nito, na marinig na ang aking mga anak ay lumalakad sa katotohanan. So, this truth pertains to the Bible. So, nagagalak daw ang mga parents when their children walks in according to the Word of God, kapag namumuhay sila sa salita ng Diyos. And that is what we can really call a true legacy, diba? Hindi yung pera, hindi yung pangalan, yung fame, hindi yung social status, kung hindi yung pagmamahal ng Diyos na ipinaparanas din natin sa kanila. So, para mas mapalawak pa itong talakayan natin, is proceed tayo sa ating teaching. Number 1, our greatest influence occurs during our children's formative years. So, yung greatest influence nga natin, which is showing them the love of God that we are receiving, diba? Yung pagbibigay din natin nito sa kanila, yung pag-influence natin ito sa kanila, this should occur during your children's formative years, yung mula pagkabata pa lang, diba? Para in the process of their growth is namumuhay na sila sa Word of God, and once na magkaroon na sila ng tamang pag-iisip or tumanda na sila, diba? Sila na mismo alam na nila kung anong gagawin nila. And it is sure na since you have influenced them with the Word of God, with the love of God, they will continue the legacy in the next generations, diba? And kapag tayo kasi nakakaranas tayo ng love of God, na-apply din natin ito sa pagmamahal sa mga kapwa natin. So, the earlier that we are teaching them the love of God is the earlier na makakapagmahal din sila na ibang tao, or mamahalin din nila yung mga kapatiran natin na gustong-gusto talaga ng ating Panginoon. Mas maaga sila mamumulat sa buhay na kasama ang ating Panginoon. And number 2, our greatest legacy is our love for God. So, ito ay paulit-ulit ko sinasabi nitong mga nakaraang araw, kasi nga hindi social status, hindi pera, hindi bahay, kotse, or anything else na worldly, yung typical na legacy na alam natin, yung typical na pamana na alam natin. So, yung greatest legacy natin, or may iwan natin na tatatak sa ating pamilya as time goes by, is our love for God. Kasi nga nakikita nila yung influence natin, yung impact din sa atin ng Lord, yung impact ng pagmamahal sa atin ng Lord, which is pinaparanas din natin sa iba. So, kapag minamahal natin yung mga kapwa natin, it only means that we are loving God also, diba? So, He is always our priority. So, when we love God, we love our brothers and sisters, we love our family. So, when we love our family, we love God, diba? So, same lang. And number 3, our greatest joy is to know that we walk with God. So, ito nga yung nabanggit sa verse, diba? Parents are happy when their children walks in the right path with the truth. And the truth that is being told here is with God, yung katotohanan na kasama ang Diyos, yung pamumuhay na kasama ang Diyos. So, di ba, sino ba namang parent na hindi matutuwa kapag ang anak niya nililid sa right path kasama si God, di ba? So, hindi na siya mahihirapan mag-disciple and you know, ano kasi, syempre, mas makakomportable when we live with God, diba? So, He provides us with everything and He also guides us every day. So, nothing can go wrong when we live our lives with the presence of God and by loving Him also, by serving Him. Yun. So, ngayon naman is proceed tayo sa ating application. Number 1, be both physical and spiritual parent. Number 2, be both a lover of God and a lover of people. And number 3, be both a discipler and a disciple. So for our discussion part, by now after watching this devotion, we should be able to tell the reasons as to why it is important that we are known to be Jesus' disciples in order to position influence towards others.